We've always had a range from very low purity, 0.1%, up to the high 83%. But we've noticed just this last 12 months that the average purity has jumped up to about 35%. So it seems like there's more of the stronger methamphetamines out in the streets. The other thing to consider is that there's other things in there, and the major component may be a cutting agent, but it may be other byproducts of the drug process. The toxicity of the byproducts is totally unknown. Typically, methamphetamine is made from cold and flu medication. Cold and flu medication is not pure pseudoephedrine, it has other drugs in there. When the manufacture process takes place to form the methamphetamine, of course all these other compounds in there are going to be converted to unknown other drugs, and we don't know what the toxicity of those are. Particularly in Western Australia, nearly all the clan labs are making methamphetamine, and nearly all of them are using the same process. And that uses fairly standard household or hardware store chemicals and equipment. They usually start from cold and flu medication, caustic soda, which is used to clean your drains, things like acids, battery acid, pool acid, common solvents that are often used in things like paint strippers. We've seen a number of explosions and fires. Probably the last 3 years it's been increasing. A number of people have been taken to hospital with serious burns, some of which weren't actually expected to last the night and received the last rites, and the injuries were that significant. Typically they use a lot of LPG, the same as you find in your barbecue bottle. That builds up in a house and very quickly becomes explosive. The fact is, once you have flammable chemicals and other chemicals that will catch fire, for example, a house can explode with the smallest of labs. You're not looking at the major production labs. It's every lab that we go to has the potential to explode.